We've seen that method overriding occurs when a public method in a subclass has the same method signature as a public method in a superclass. So in our shape superclass, we had a calc area method which returns a double of 0.0, and in our rectangle subclass, we have the method with the same signature that returns the area of the rectangle. So effectively, because it has the same signature as the method in a superclass, this method overrides the method in a superclass. So if we run this program, we saw that this was the case. And note that because we called super in the rectangle constructor with no parameters, that invoked the default constructor of the superclass, which sets a default height of 5 for the shape. So that's why we got an area of 50, which is 10 by 5. So in general, any method that is called must be defined within its own class or its superclass. So we could have had this as a calc area method that takes in an input to scale the area by some factor, and in this case we're instead overloading the method in the superclass. So if we run this program again, we see that the area is 0 because we called the calc area method without any parameters, and that effectively called this calc area method in the superclass, which returns 0. So therefore we have to pass in a parameter scale. So let's just pass in a random value and run this again, and that then calls the method in a subclass. So a subclass is usually designed to have a modified or overridden method, or additional methods or instance variables, as we've seen. And a subclass will inherit all the public methods from the superclass, and these methods remain public in the subclass, as we've also seen.